Okay, another quick, fast shop tip for working on your car. You're looking for a vacuum leak. Two things you can use. You can use a piece of hose or tubing. Doesn't have to be this long, but it can be, you know, anything over a foot or a foot and a half. Propane. So what you do with the propane torch is you would turn it on. Obviously not light it. You're not setting your car on fire. So while the car's running, you would turn the propane torch on. I'm going to turn it off now, but propane would be coming out. And you'd run it along any vacuum lines or hoses or intake hoses, anything where air is being vacuumed or sucked into the engine. You don't need to run it along hoses for like coolant or anything. Hopefully you know that, but if you don't run along your coolant or radiator hoses. That's useless. Run it along intake stuff. So from your air filter where it goes into the engine, any little black tubes that are running along and poking into the engine, those are usually vacuum hoses. Run this, the propane along them, and if the engine speeds up or smooths out, or you can notice a change in how it runs, you found a spot where it's sucking in the propane, which is going to make the car run better. If you don't have propane, or you don't want to use propane, because anytime you use gas, it's a little bit dangerous, a piece of hose, one end into your ear, not into your ear like a Q-tip, but in your ear so you can listen to it, and the other end, run it along any vacuum hoses. And I guarantee you the sound that you will hear, you will notice a vacuum leak instantly. There's no debate as to whether it's a vacuum line, whether you've found it or not. Once you hear it, you'll know you've heard it. And you can just run that along any intake, any vacuum line, and you'll hear the hissing like dramatically increased. You'll hear it really, really well. Can't miss it. So, quickie for checking for vacuum leaks. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like or want to subscribe. Thanks.